Have you guys seen the video that I laid this beauty? Use this for like 20 times now. It's still like that. It's not changing. And the glue, it... Have you guys seen the video that I laid this beauty on my head? Have you guys seen it? If you have not seen it, just go to my channel and watch the video. So anyways, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial today, and yeah, I know I've not been doing that on this channel for a very long time, like I said in my previous videos, and I said I am back like I never left, period. So anyways, we're going to be doing makeup tutorials today, and just a quick and easy makeup tutorials that we're going to be doing today. What I'm going to be doing on this channel is about hair, a cream review, and makeup tutorials, wig installment like I just did. So please, if this is your first time of coming across this amazing channel, yes, my name is Patient, known as Iyawo Ola. So feel free to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and also share my video out to your friends and family. So, and to my amazing returning subscribers that is still with me on this channel for 2 years that I've not been on this channel, I say thank you for holding it down here for me. I really appreciate you all. May God bless everyone. So guys, I'm going to be using this Prep Plus Perfect Moisturizer, face moisturizer. So I'm just going to be using that, putting some of this in my face. Okay, just a little bit. So now guys, I'm just going to use my face primer. Is from F, and it's Power Grip Primer on my face. I'm just going to put in a little amount of the face primer. I usually love to use my hand. I don't like using some of the brushes, but I just love to use my hand to spread it properly on my face. I got this lip gloss from Temu. It's lip gel. I got it from Temu. Okay, you guys know that I like using beauty blender. I don't like using brushes on my foundation. I got this from Superdrug. It's my first time, I think, I'm using this. It's a little light for me. It's my first time of using this. So if you see me looking downwards, I'm using my mirror. I don't know, is there any different from this side with my skin? I think it matches with my skin. What do you guys think? Guys, this foundation is beautiful on me. Like, and do you guys know what happened? When I was purchasing this foundation, I did not actually do a swipe test at all, because I'm very good with that. I don't usually do a swipe test. By looking at the color, I know it's going to go with my color, because you guys know I was a little bit light in complexion before, because I was toning my skin, and I know what really works for my skin perfectly. So I saw this and I said, okay, I've not used this foundation before. I just want to give it a try and see how it's going to look on my skin, and just see. It's adding up to my glow, like, because I've not been doing makeup for a long time now, so I hardly go to the shop to get some makeup products, because I still have a lot of makeup products in here. So I got this from Superdrugs as well. It's Studio London Flawless Cream Concealer. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see how it look. I'm just trying this out for the first time. Okay, I just got it a few days ago, and I decided to use it today. Let's see how it goes. So just ignore when I'm looking downwards, okay guys? Okay guys, I'm just going to put my contour. I have this contour from Shiglam. I got it from Shiglam, and it's really good. I love the contour. So let's see if I still got the game. And some blush. I actually got this from Temu. So let's see how it's going to work today. Gosh, so I'm using this Zicare Second Skin concealer. The contour. So now I'm going to the blush, and let's see if the blush is going to blend with this Milani powder. So I'm just want to set up the face first with the powder, pressed powder, before I can go in with the setting powder. The reason I'm doing this is just for it to give me a flawless look. Let's go with setting powder. I'm going to be using the Fenty setting powder. My Fenty, yeah, to set up my face. And also the top of my forehead. Not much on the side, just a little bit. And my nose. And the side. See, I'm going to use the Zik hair, but let me just see. So I'm going to go with this one here, this one. Long I've done this. Not that I don't do makeup, don't get me wrong, I do makeup, but I don't stay long doing makeup. I'm just going to go in with my powder here, my powder from MAC. I'm just going to do the eyes and then brush out the brows. I forgot to say to you guys, when I went to Nigeria a few months ago, that was February this year, 2024, I went to Nigeria and I did my brows, and I was looking for a very perfect, beautiful brow. Got to notice this lady on Instagram, and then she said she's going to charge me 40,000 naira for the brows. So I said, okay, I'm coming to do it so time. And I actually got to Nigeria. I went there to go and do the brows, and she did this rubbish on my face for not 40,000 naira, 60,000 naira, sorry. And she did this rubbish on my face. The brow is not browing, like it just do rubbish on my face, and I was expecting the brow to be like the perfect one that I always see on the internet. But so I said to myself, so is that why I have to pay 60,000 naira to do a brow that is rubbish on my face? It's actually rubbish. Anyways, let's not just go into that. And I'm using this Painted Lady by Costa, something like that. I've had this for a very long time, and you see, because I don't do makeup all the time, and because I have a lot of eyeshadow palette, I'm not doing much on my face. So I use this one. I use this color, and I'm going to be using this one. I don't want too much paparazzi, you know. I just want to make it as simple as possible. So that's why I'm using this. I don't even remember the name of this eyeliner. I can't even remember, guys. So So I'm just going to dust off powder off my face. This is what I do basically, just to define it a little bit more. I don't really do much. I got this mascara when I traveled to Italy last year. When I went to Italy last year. This one here, just to spray around to come. My lashes. You guys know that I have a lashes brand. Yes. So I'm just going to go with my lashes. This is Iyawo Ola Touch. Iyawo Ola's Touch. This is the style Sexy Lashes by Iyawo Ola. So it's my brand, and if you guys want to have some of this, just reach out. Lashes glue. The glue adhesive is the same by Lashes by Iyawo Ola. So this is my lash glue, the glue adhesive, and this is the lashes. So I've been using this. You can use the lashes for more than 100 times. Yes. So it's very good and very affordable. Use this for like 20 times now, and it's still like this. You see, it's still like that. It's not changing, and the glue is 100% safe. It's good. It is good. So that's what I'm using. You can see. Didn't need to show you guys. This is what I'm using. So I'm just going to leave it out for a while to dry, so it can be very tacky. Yeah, so this is it, and I'm using my Revolution highlighter. You can see that. So I'm just going to use this color here, this one here. Did I see? So I'm just going to use that. This one. Let's see how it's a look. I'm just going to use the spray on my face. Let's see. So guys, this is me. So guys, this is me. I just need to let it dry. So yeah, this is the finished look of the tutorials today. Yes, I hope you guys enjoy watching. You can still see a little bit of mark here and a little bit of that. So that's why I didn't put anything underneath my eyes, my waterline, because I'm always tearing whenever I put something there. I thought that would have stopped by now, but it still did not stop. So I think I won't be putting anything there. I wanted to put some mascara underneath, but I'm so not comfortable with it because I don't want to be tearing, and I don't want the makeup to be ruined, because baby girl, I've put so much effort on this look. This is just my everyday makeup tutorial that I do every day now. I changed. I usually use a very nude lipstick on my lips, but I decided to change it today just because of the color that I put on. So yeah, that's just basically everything. And this lashes is from me, Lashes by Iyawo Ola. You see how beautiful the lashes looks on me. Guys, I have it in 3 styles. I have it in style Sexy, style Flawless, and style Natural. The natural one is not really long, it's a little bit shorter than this one, and I've used the 3 styles and they're very beautiful. And I've also got a good review from a lot of people that got it from me, and yeah, they really love it. And the glue adhesive is massive. It's really good. It's very sticky, and yeah, stays on your eyes perfectly. In this video today, I did not use one particular product. I used different product. I got some product from Shane Glam, and I got some product from Temu, and some product from ZK Cosmetics in Nigeria, and some product from here. So I got some product from Superdrugs. Yeah, so I always like to mix products together to give me the look that I'm looking for. So that's why I always use different products. But nevertheless, I think I ate the look. Yes, and I want to say thank you guys for staying by me, watching this tutorial from the beginning to now. And I hope you guys enjoy watching, and please leave your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this beautiful look on me? What you think if I smash it all or not? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be very happy and glad to interact with you guys. Yeah, that's everything. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Until then, remain blessed and I love you all.